Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Google Merchant Center login problems, account and policy errors step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Google Merchant Center login page. Ensure that you are using the correct email address associated with your account. If you encounter issues, check your internet connection for stability. Next, attempt to reset your password if you can't remember it. Click on the Forgot Password link and follow the on-screen instructions. Once you regain access, check for any notifications regarding account issues. Pay attention to any emails from Google that might detail policy violations. If you find these notifications, address the issues mentioned. Review your product data feeds to ensure they comply with Google's policies. Check for any disapproved products listed in your account. Take note of the reasons for disapproval and rectify them accordingly. Update your feed to comply with the required formats and specifications. After making changes, resubmit your product data for review. If policy errors persist, reach out to Google Merchant Center support for assistance. Utilize their help resources for additional guidance on resolving account issues. Consider reviewing the Help Center for insights on common problems. Maintain regular compliance checks to ensure ongoing adherence to policies. Always keep your business information up to date in the Merchant Center settings. Following these steps will help you diagnose and resolve login problems effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.